Hi, in this video we will have an introduction to BNB Chain. We will see history of BNB Chain, then advantages of BNB Chain. Let us start with history of BNB Chain. In April 2019, BNB Chain was introduced. When it comes to September 2020, BNB Smart Chain was launched as an addition of BNB Chain. In February 2022, Binance Smart Chain and Binance Chain were rebranded as BNB Smart Chain and BNB Chain respectively. Advantages of BNB Chain. So let us start with permissionless. The BNB Smart Chain is a decentralized network that allows anyone to participate and transact. This property is one of the key features of decentralized systems, and it's an important aspect of the BNB Chain's design since it promotes financial inclusion and accessibility. Unlike traditional financial systems that may have strict requirements for opening accounts or participating transactions, BNB Chain allows anyone with an internet connection to join the network and participate in financial transactions. Incentivized. This advantage refers to the various rewards and benefits built into the network to encourage user participation and contribution. For instance, users are incentivized to hold and use BNB as it offers lower fees and access exclusive services and products. Additionally, the network employs a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism where users can earn rewards for participating in block validation and maintaining network security. These incentives play a crucial role in ensuring that the BNB chain has a strong user base and is well supported for its long-term growth and success. Open source. So the open source software is an important aspect of many blockchain and cryptocurrency projects, right? Because it allows for greater transparency and collaboration. With open source code, developers and the wider community can review the inner workings of the network, identify and fix bugs, and propose improvements. This helps to build trust in the network and ensures that it's secure, reliable, and effective. User engagement. So the BNB chain is known for its daily user engagement, large user base, and wide reach, meaning that a high level of user engagement is crucial for the success of BNB chain network because it helps to ensure that the network is well supported and widely adopted. When users are actively engaged with the network, it creates a vibrant and active community that can drive innovation, identify and resolve issues, and contribute to the overall growth and stability of the network. BNB chain is efficient and cost-effective because it uses proof-of-stake authority for efficient, fast, and low-cost transactions. One of the key goals of BNB chain is to provide a fast, reliable, and low-cost alternative to traditional financial systems. This is achieved through a combination of technical innovation and design choices that minimize the cost and time required for transactions. For example, BNB chain uses a high throughput consensus mechanism, proof-of-stake authority mechanism, that allows for rapid processing of transactions, which helps to reduce the time required for confirmations. Additionally, the network employs a decentralized design that eliminates the need for intermediaries and reduces the cost of transactions. Okay, let us also talk about EVM compatibility. BNB chain is EVM compatible, enabling high interoperability and Solidity development. By being EVM compatible, BNB chain allows developers to easily port existing Ethereum-based applications and smart contracts to its network. This makes it easier for developers to build new applications and services on top of the BNB chain, and it helps to increase its overall utility and usage. Additionally, being EVM compatible allows BNB chain to benefit from the ecosystem of tools, libraries, and services that have been built around the Ethereum network. This helps to reduce the time and effort required for development, and it makes it easier for developers to build robust and secure applications. Okay, so these are very common advantages of BNB chain, and that's why we are gonna be building on BNB chain our applications in the part 5 of this course. So that's gonna do it for this video. I will see you in the next one.